Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at an interesting laptop from Amazon, the Ninkear A15 Plus. I've tested it in real tasks and today I'll show what it can really do. Before we start, hit like and subscribe, it helps the channel grow a lot. Let's go! The laptop looks minimalistic and clean. The body is slim, without glossy fingerprints all over it. Matte surface stays tidy longer. It's lightweight enough for daily backpack carry, making it suitable for study, work, or travel. The hinges feel solid and the lid opens with one hand, which is a small but nice detail. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD screen. The picture is sharp, colors look natural, and viewing angles are acceptable. Perfectly fine for movies, documents, browsing, and even some light photo editing. Brightness isn't record-breaking, but indoors it feels comfortable to use. Powered by Ryzen 7 5700U, and here it performs pleasantly well. Office tasks run fast, browser tabs don't slow it down, and simple video editing is doable. Light gaming is also possible. Not ultra settings, but stable and playable. Temps under load stay within a reasonable range. No burning hot chassis. There's enough RAM for multitasking. Several apps and windows open without lag. The SSD is fast, system boots in seconds, apps launch quickly for work, study, programming, or everyday tasks. More than enough. The keyboard is quiet with a comfortable key travel. Backlight is available, useful for late-night work. Speakers sound better than expected for a budget machine. Clear voice, no crackling at max volume, ideal for movies, YouTube, and online calls. Battery can last roughly a workday under mixed use, with lower brightness and lighter tasks. Even longer. Charging is fairly quick and the power brick is compact. The Ninkear A15 Plus doesn't look cheap, performs well in everyday tasks, and fits perfectly for students, freelancers, or anyone who needs a daily work machine without overpaying. For its price on Amazon, it's a very attractive option, especially if you catch a good discount.